First Time Parents Guide, Burping Your Baby. Hold your baby upright with his or her head on your shoulder. Support your baby's head and back while gently patting the back with your other hand. Sit your baby on your lap. Support your baby's chest and head with one hand by cradling your baby's chin in the palm of your hand and resting the heel of your hand on your baby's chest. Be careful to grip your baby's chin, not throat. Use the other hand to gently pat your baby's back. Lay your baby face down on your lap. Support your baby's head, making sure it's higher than his or her chest, and gently pat or rub his or her back. Moms, add a postnatal supplement to your breastfeeding journey.